So, you're thinking about investing with Raiz, huh? That's a smart move. But, like any other financial service, there's always that nagging question: does Raiz charge monthly fees? Let's face it, fees can eat into your returns. It's like a silent thief, stealing away your hard-earned money. So, it's only natural to be concerned about hidden costs. Direct answer. Now, the short answer is no, Raiz doesn't charge monthly fees. Explain the fee structure. But, how does Raiz make money, then? Well, it's a bit more nuanced than that. Raiz primarily generates revenue through two main methods. Platform fee. This is a small percentage fee charged on your investment portfolio. It's typically a very low fee, and it's designed to cover the costs of running the platform, including things like technology, customer support, and security. Brokerage fees. Whenever you buy or sell shares through Raiz, you'll incur a small brokerage fee. This fee is charged by the stockbroker that Raiz uses to execute your trades. Highlight the benefits of Raiz fee structure. So, while Raiz doesn't charge monthly fees, it's important to understand the other fees involved. However, these fees are generally quite low, especially when compared to traditional investment platforms. Here's why Raiz fee structure is so appealing. Low-cost investing. Raiz is designed to make investing accessible to everyone, regardless of how much money you have. By keeping fees low, it allows your investments to grow over time. Automatic investments. Raiz automated investing feature takes the guesswork out of investing. You can set up regular, automatic investments, which can help you build wealth consistently. Diversification. Raiz invests your money across a diversified portfolio of ETFs, which can help to reduce risk. If you're looking for a simple and affordable way to start investing, Raiz is definitely worth considering. It's a great option for beginners and experienced investors alike. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.